Let me introduce our cold rolling steel rebar rivet machine for you. This machine model is LZ 20000T model. This is a wire bracket to bear the wire material. It can bear maximum 2.5 ton. Next is our rust cleaner to clean the rust of the material. Here is the drawing powder inside. To make the wire smooth, easy to be drawn and rivered. Next step. So this is the first drawing step to reduce the wire diameter. You see there are 6 pieces of rolling wheel. First 3 pieces to reduce the diameter. Second 3 pieces is also reduce the diameter. So this is the second drawing machine. This is the second drawing machine. First also 6 pieces rolling wheel. First 3 pieces are also used to reduce the diameter. So the last 3 pieces rolling wheel is to make a rivet on the wire surface. You can see there's also water pipe on the rolling wheel to make the temperature lower. So there are 2 drawing machines. Each drawing machine has a motor 55 kilowatt capacity. So this is the control cabinet. So there are different buttons and switch to control the machine. Also the inverter controls the working speed. The touch screen you can set the cutting length and cutting cutting quantity. You see this is the inside of the control cabinet. So next step is to straighten and cutting the wire. You see these straightening rollers to make the wire straight. So this is cutting part. It's a flying share part. It is the cutter can cut the wire. It is controlled by some motor. Here is the small motor. And this is the folding bracket. This part can push the wire, make the wires regular. Okay, so next let's see the machine working.